So, in today's session, let us move to next concept, that is we have reached to the end of our session, means end of our lesson, that is health hazards. Okay, so can you observe health hazards on your screen, students?
Yes.
Okay, what you observe on your system screen? Health hazards. Okay. So what is this mean of hazards? What is the meaning of hazard? What is the meaning of hazard? Who will answer me? You know the meaning of hazard? Hazard is nothing but danger. Yes? Danger, risk, or problem. So, in this session, let us discuss about the hazards or the problem, danger related to health. Why we are going to study about these health hazards is, you all know that people are working in industry like silk industry, wool industry, or any kind of fabric industries. So, in that industries, the workers who are working, they suffer from various kinds of disease, or we can say they are in a risk mode when they are working in such kind of industries like wool and silk industries. As you all know that in this lesson, totally we have studied about wool and silk. So, we will discuss only the hazards or the problems which are related to health of workers who are working in wool and silk industries. Right? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, the workers who are employed in these wool and silk industries, they suffer from various kind of diseases, and that diseases or the hazards, we call it as a occupational hazards. So here health risk or health problems that can be associated with the some kind of substances, or we can say the materials which are used in these industries. Many kind of substances are used in these industries to make fabric, and with that substances, workers may suffer from various diseases. Even the tension while working, the tension may generate disease or the problems for the workers who are working in industries, and even chances of getting germs, and that germs may cause disease. And here we are going to study some of particular diseases associated with this wool and silk industry. Okay. So first is occupational hazards of wool industry. So if a person or the workers or any employees, if they are working in the wool industries, they may suffer various kind of infections or any kind of disease, we may say. So here we have some disease called anthrax. Okay, so what is this anthrax? This anthrax is a infectious disease which causes for the person by bacteria called Bacillus anthracis. Here you can see the picture of that bacterium or the bacteria. This is what the microscopic wave of bacteria, which is, yes,
No, ma'am, it is clear.
is it visible? Okay, very good. So, so this bacteria will cause disease called anthrax, and this bacteria is Bacillus anthracis, and this bacteria is present in the wool of animals. You all know that we have studied the process of manufacturing wool fiber. So during shearing process, the person who may shearing the wool, that time these disease may be caused for that person, because that wool is dirt wool. During sorting process also, even in shearing process also, these bacteria which is present in that wool, in dirt wool, it may attack to a person who is doing a particular work of shearing or sorting process, and it may cause blood infection or asthma. Asthma is a disease which is related with a breathing. So this bacteria may cause a breathing problem. This bacteria will enter into lungs, and it will block a lung system of your body, and their breathing problem may arise in a person because of this bacteria. This bacteria is present in a dirt wool, and this bacteria will be attacked for that person when that person is uh, doing shearing process or salting of wool. So that is why this disease is also called as salter's disease. Here you can see salter's disease or anthrax. Anthrax, the name has arisen because of the bacteria name that is Bacillus anthracis. Understood, students? Anybody is having doubt? Okay. And the laborers who are sorting fleece or wool, that time they may fall in maximum risk of getting infected by this disease. Okay. So next disease is of allergic reaction. So while doing this shearing or sorting process, these laborers may have allergic skin reaction because of this bacteria. This disease causes irritation of skin, irritation of eyes, even the respiratory allergy. I told that what is meant by respiratory allergy. It is nothing but the problem or the risk which is related to our breathing process. Okay, this allergy of lungs or any other part of airways. Uh, from wherever the part we are uh, what breathing, inhaling the air, through that air this bacteria may enters to our lungs, and it will cause a lungs problem, so we call it as a respiratory allergy. Understood, students, about Salter disease and allergic reaction? Yes. Asthma disease is very harmful disease, ma'am. Yes, asthma disease is a harmful disease, and it is related with the respiratory system. Respiratory is nothing but the process of breathing. Okay, when we inhale the air, so during that time, these bacteria enters to our lungs, and it blocks our lung system. So that may cause a problem for breathing process. Yes? Anybody is having doubt? Yes? Ma'am, what is meaning of fleece? Fleece, I told, fleece is upper thick layer of hair of animal like sheep, goat, camel, yak. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Next is, so in this occupational hazards of wool industry, anybody is having doubt? No? Shall we move to next? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So next is health hazards in silk industry. As you all know that there are many people who are working in silk industry. Even these people are the laborers. They may also get infected by many diseases. And we have seen that when silk fiber is extracted by the cocoons or the silkworm, that silk fiber will be next sent to dyeing process. Dyeing process means coloring of fiber. So for that coloring of fiber, chemicals are used. These chemicals, various chemicals, they are used in degreasing, disinfecting, bleaching, dyeing silk. So these chemicals are used in this all process, and that chemical may cause irritation, irritation for eyes, skin, right? So how this irritation will be caused? Because this labor will handle that chemicals by their bare hand. Bare hand means without using any cloth or without using any hand gloves, they will directly handle that chemicals. So you all know that chemicals are very dangerous for our health. So without using that gloves, and we use chemicals in industry, it will cause irritation of skin, and it will cause allergic skin reactions also, where our skin of hand or our any body part skin, it will become reddish color or red color. And next is, here you can see how that skin allergic look like. Here you can see why it will be caused, because without using any hand gloves, these laborers are handling raw silk and even the chemicals during process of coloring the fiber. So because of that, these allergic skin reactions may take place in your body. And even continuous contact with the hot water, we have also studied that reeling process. What is mean by reeling process? In reeling process, cocoons are boiled in a hot water, and in that process fibers are separated, and during that process labors may be direct contact with the hot water without using any gloves. They may put their hand in hot water during reeling process, and that may turn skin to cause a burn or scalds, and it will make or it will cause our hands to become a reddish. It causes allergic skin reactions also. Here you can see when it will happen, when the labor may come in contact directly with the hot water without using any hand gloves. Next is one more thing. Here you can see the person who is holding his back. This is backache or the pain or the back pain. Why it will cause? Because in these industries, the farmer may continuously standing and working in the process of spinning the yarn. So due to that, the labor may caused by back pain or spine pain. Next one is headache. So continuous tension of work, or the sound which is caused in the industries. So due to that, the headache may occur in your body. So these are what some disease caused for the laborers who are working in wool industry as well as in silk industry. And sometimes labors may, many of dyes they are used to color silk, they are easily absorbed by our digestive system. Sometimes uh, by mistake or by any chance, the dyes or the chemical or coloring, it may ingested in your body. Ingested means the food item or any which will be taken by your mouth. So when it enters to your body, it will be absorbed by digestive system easily. Digestive system we have seen in our previous lesson. So when that color or the chemical it is ingested and absorbed by digestive system, it may also cause health problems. So these chemicals are very dangerous. So the laborers who are working in wool industry and silk industry, they may take precautions and conditions while working in such kind of industries. In ancient period, people were uh, easily or they may many of labors they were caused by many diseases. But nowadays, as you know that many kind of vaccines or medicines are available in the market, and when the person or labor are caused by these disease, he can easily use the medicines or vaccines to get rid of that all disease. Understood, students? Anybody is having doubt in these health hazards?
And what is in the greasing?
What is, yes, what is mean by
Greasing.
degreasing? You know the meaning of greasing? Greasing means in mechanic for bike or any car, the black colored grease may be attached to the vehicle. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, similar kind of grease will be stuck with the wool. So in order to remove that grease, chemicals are used. So that what removal of grease from wool is called degreasing. Okay, understood, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the person who are working in these kind of industries, they should be kept in a hygiene place, or they may take strict personal hygiene. So this is all about the lesson called animal fiber. If anybody is having doubt in this lesson, you can ask questions and clarify your doubts.
Ma'am, what is meaning of 28?
What is meaning of
28, ma'am.
initiate? Initiate. It is not initiate. Initiate means to start. It will start causing disease. Bacteria. We may call bacteria also.